So hi guys, this is Fraud Gigs tayo is the micro freelancing where the world works, an online market that connects freelancer and business owner around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. Hire freelancer in 250 plus different countries and territories. One marketplace, multiple way to get work done. Ito ay pwede sa mga students also. 17 years old and above or lower. As long as yung PayPal nyo is nakakonect sa magulang nyo, makaka-check out kayo na. So, let's click Get Started para makapag-sign up. You only need a real name, email address, password, then you will confirm your password. Then, nickname, mga kahit code name lang yan, pwede na. And select country kung saan bansa ka nakatira. So, maraming pagpipilian yan. Also, different country yan talaga. And search natin is yung Philippines. So, ayan, may Philippines, diba? Tapos, select your profile type. Select the desired profile type. Now, but you can switch between them later. Pwede mo siya i-switch, I am a worker or I am an employer. Siyempre, worker tayo yung babayaran. Tapos, once natapos mo na fill upan itong mga to, dapat yung password pala, kasi minsan yung iba nagkakamali sa password. Dapat strong password with asterisk, mga ganun, mga mahaba. May caps lock and may lowercase, ganon. Tapos, once natapos mo ng fill upan yan, check. I agree the Fraud Gigs terms of service and privacy policy. Send me news, event, and offer via periodic email. Pag nag-sign up ka na, syempre, huwag ka muna magla-login. Check your email muna kasi once na na-click mo yun, madadire ka agad sa Fraud Gigs, tapos nakalogin ka na. Tapos, mag-log out ka syempre. Tapos, mag-login ka na. Tapos yun, once na napunta ka na sa email at na-click mo na yung link na from the Fraud Gigs, nag-email yan para ma-confirm na ma-verify talaga yung email is true. So, after na mag-login ka na, sulat mo lang yung email mo, tsaka yung password mo. Yan. So, ang akin naka-save. Yan. Login na natin. So, I already have $9. At saka yung pending na hindi pa na dito is yung 0.1,530. So, barya lang yan. And also, gusto ko pakita sa inyo na yung work status ko. Account setting. So, work status. So, ayan. Yung work performance ko dito, yung task na nagawa ko dito is 1,395. Tapos, ayun na nga, satisfied is 1,370. Yung mga na hindi na satisfied is 20. At ang na-earn ko na dito is $43.270. Yung earned task ko is 0.032 for this day. Submit task interval is 0. Ibig sabihin, submit task interval, dapat 0 talaga siya. Kasi once hello guys! So, for today's video, tuturuan ko kayong paano kumita ng pera. For today's video, I already have $9. And, ayan. This is a fraudgig.com. Ang ginagawa lang this is a micro freelancing. Ulit nga, mali. So, the work earnings, in daily earnings natin 0.168. Ang weekly earning natin is $0.870. And monthly earning ko is $3.360. All-time success rate ko is 84%. Yung able to meet na success rate ko is 95%. Task done breakout, ang pinakamas marami kong nagagawa dito sa Sprout Gigs ay SEO plus promote, content plus search engine. Kasi yung pinakamadali is copy and paste lang siya. At you must need to follow the instruction na mga bibigay doon. Pag hindi mo ma-follow ng tama yung mga instruction, magsabihin, madadagdag yun dito sa not satisfied. So, I already have 20 not satisfied na nagawa. And also,
Uy, ano ba to? Marumi ba to?
breakdown, yung pinakamadami ko yung si SEO, video marketing, sunod si Facebook micro-influencer. Yan yung apat yung mas na madaling gawin.
Pag nakaupo ka rito, tanga ka lang din na
Work level. At work level ko, sa level 8 na ako, expert na po tayo. Your work level determines the level of job available for you. The higher level you have, the higher the price of the job you can access. Level are determined based on the amount of accumulated points you earn points for each task, rate satisfied, and for each $1 earned with task. But keep in mind your level could decrease due to the prolonged inactivity or task rated not satisfied. Keep at great work to reach out the next level and get access to more job. Yan. Ito may mga points na binibigay yung mga ano.
Sulat-sulat ng mga PL. Drawing ako, pati
So,
yung
yan.
drawing ko dyan.
Ito yung mga points ko, mga transaction. Meron din yung negative kasi mga hindi satisfied na mga ano, employer. So, yan. Scroll natin sa ganyan. So, ayun lang yung ano ko. At, papakita ko sa inyo live withdrawal for today's video.
Yan, puyat ka ng puyat.
So, punta tayo kapag gusto niyo mag-withdraw, live withdrawal ang gagawin natin ngayon. At namaya ko ituturo sa inyo yung kung paano ba yung step para kung paano halimbawa ng ano. Kasi minsan, hindi pwede i-video. Confidential siya. So, let's click. Request withdrawal.
Manahimik ka dyan.
So, yan. Request withdrawal. Makukulit naman ng mga nakusap. So, ito yung mga proof of payment ko. $7, $12. Ayan, pinagsasabay ko lang yung pag-aaral ko tsaka pagma-microfinancing ko. So, medyo interval. Ito, mayroong payment is PayPal. Ayan. Withdraw na natin yan. So, guide lang kayo nito ng wallet request withdrawal. Your test interval timer must be 0 to withdraw. Never user must complete a minimum amount of tasks to achieve a 0 task interval. Withdrawal when you have over $5 in your earned balance. You can not withdraw money from your spendable balance without withdrawals are proceed on within 10 business days. So, ayan. If you are going to use PayPal, please make sure your Sprout Gig email match with your PayPal. Before placing a withdrawals request, please 100% ensure your PayPal account is verified and you can receive payment from the US if your payment is unclaimed or sent back by So, may withdrawal fees din siya. Ayan, na $1.82. And ang marireceive lang natin, ayan, i-maximum natin, ayan. Lahat na natin in-withdraw. So, yung $9 ko, $9.09 ko is magiging $7.27 kasi kailangan natin magbayad ng fees, withdrawal fees na $1.82. Withdrawal fees are deducted from worker earnings to support Sprout Gigs Marketplace operational expenses. We remain committed to keep our fees lower than gig economy standards. So, na-maximize na natin yung pag-withdraw natin. So, may request a token. So, nakikita nyo po yan. So, send token. I-click natin yung send token na yan. So, di ba napindutan natin yung request token? Ang gagawin naman natin is confirm token naman. Magda-direct yung email nun from kung ano ba ginamit yung email address sa pag-create ng account mo tsaka dun sa PayPal. So, ayan. Search lang natin ang ginamit naming email address is yung Yahoo. So, yan. Search ko lang siya and we'll get the code para pag-payout. So, ayan. Confirm token. Makikita na natin kagad sa email. At so, ayan yung confirm token code. Ikakopy mo lang yan. I-paste mo lang yan dun sa confirm token. Ko-confirm natin. Tapos, after mo i-click yun and submit mo na. Okay na yun. Mag-wait ka ng 10 business days. Pero sa akin, mga 2 days, 3 days, nandyan na. Or minsan, kinabukasan, meron na rin siya kagad sa aking PayPal wallet. As you can see, ay na yung code and submit the request. After none, everything is okay. Mag-wait na lang tayo. Ayan. Submit na. Pending na lang siya. So, ayun lang for today's video. Thank you very much, mga ka-sizzling. I love you all. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video to your friends para mas magkaroon sila ng idea at how to earn money online. Ayun lamang and God bless.